Hello and welcome. The goal of this video is to help you practice your English listening. And if you want, you can also practice shadowing. That means you listen and then repeat along with me. You can pause the video after each sentence and try to copy my voice. Let's get started. Do you want to speak English? Do you feel scared when you try to talk? Many people feel the same way. They know words, they can read books, but when they need to speak, they stop. Nothing comes out. Their mind goes empty, their heart beats fast. Why does this happen? Let me tell you the truth. It is not your problem. You are not bad at English. The real problem is simple. Most people learn English the wrong way. Let me tell you about Anna. She is a student. She studied English for 4 years. She got good grades in school. She could write well. She understood English songs. But one day, a man from America asked her a question on the street. He said, "Excuse me, where is the bus stop?" Anna understood every word. She knew where the bus stop was. She walked past it every day, but when she opened her mouth, no words came out. She just pointed with her hand. She said sorry and walked away. That night, Anna felt sad. She asked herself, why could I not speak? I knew the words. The answer is simple. She never practiced speaking. Here is something important. Learning English and speaking English are different things. You can study grammar for many years. You can learn many words. But if you never speak, your English will stay inside your head. Think about swimming. You can watch videos about swimming. You can read books about swimming. But can you swim? No, you must get in the water. You must try. You must practice. English is the same. You must open your mouth. You must speak. There is no other way. So what can you do? How can you start? Here is the good news. You do not need to be perfect. You do not need big words. You do not need to sound like someone from England. You just need to start right now, today. Even if you know only 20 words, you can speak. Think about a baby. A baby does not speak perfectly. She says simple things. Mama, water more. She makes mistakes. But does anyone laugh? No. Everyone is happy. Everyone smiles. And every day, the baby gets better. She learns new words. She makes sentences. How does she do this? She speaks every day. She is not afraid of mistakes. Now you might think, but I am not a baby. I am older. People will think I am bad at English. Listen carefully. This is not true. Most people are kind. When they see you trying to speak English, they will help you. They will not laugh. Think about this. If someone came to your country and tried to speak your language, would you laugh? No. You would think this person is brave. You would help them. You would speak slowly. Other people will do the same for you. So stop worrying. Start speaking. Let me give you a simple way to practice. It is called talking to yourself. Yes, you can talk to yourself in English. When you wake up in the morning, look around your room. Say what you see. I see my bed. I see the window. The sun is up. It is morning. When you brush your teeth, say it out loud. I am brushing my teeth. The toothpaste is white. When you eat breakfast, keep talking. I am making tea. I like tea. I am eating bread. Do this all day. Talk about everything you do. Yes, it feels strange at first, but after some days, something good happens. Your brain starts to think in English. The words come easier. Your speaking gets better. Here is another good way to practice. Read out loud. Find any book in English. It can be a simple story. It can be something on the internet. It does not matter. The important thing is to read with your voice. Do not read in your head. Use your mouth. Say every word. Read slowly first. Think about how to say each word. Then read again faster. Then read again with feeling. Why does this help? Because it trains your mouth. English sounds are different. Your mouth needs to learn new movements. Your tongue needs to move in new ways. Reading out loud is like exercise for your mouth. Now I will tell you something surprising. You should record your voice. I know nobody likes hearing their own voice. It sounds weird, but this is why you should do it. Recording yourself is like looking in a mirror. It shows you the truth. When you listen, you will hear things. Maybe you speak too fast. Maybe some words are not clear. When you know this, you can fix it. Try this today. Read one paragraph out loud and record it. Then, listen. Do not feel bad, just listen. Then, read the same paragraph again and record it again. Listen to the second one. Is it better? Yes, it is usually better. Do this every day. After 1 week, listen to your first recording and your last recording. You will be surprised. You will hear how much better you are. Many people worry about their accent. They think, my accent is bad. People will not understand me. Stop thinking this way. Your accent is not bad. Your accent is part of you. It shows where you are from. It shows you are learning something new. That is good, not bad. Think about famous people who speak English with an accent. Do people respect them less? No. People respect them because they can speak more than one language. The goal is not to sound perfect. The goal is to communicate as long as you speak clearly. People will understand you. Here's something else. Native speakers also make mistakes. They forget words. They say allo, and ah. They repeat things. They are not perfect. So why do you need to be perfect? You do not. Communication is what matters. Let me give you an example. You are in a store. You need to find milk. You ask someone, where is milk? Is this perfect English? No. Perfect would be, excuse me, could you tell me where I can find the milk? But does it matter? No. The person understands you. They show you where the milk is. You found what you needed. That is good communication. Now, I want to tell you something important. Stop waiting. Do not think you need more time. Do not think you need to study more. You are ready now. You already know enough to start speaking. Do you know how to say hello? My name is, I'm from Rebello and thank you. Then you can introduce yourself. That is speaking. Do you know the words I want? Water, food, and please. Then you can order something that is speaking. Do you know where is bathroom and help? Then you can ask for things. That is speaking. You already have what you need. You just need to use it. Let me tell you about Tom. He moved to a new country for work. He knew some English, but not much. He felt shy. He did not talk to people. One day, his coworker invited him to a party. Tom felt nervous. He almost said no, but he decided to go. At the party, he stood alone. Then, a woman came to talk to him. She said hello. Tom said hello back. She asked where he was from. Tom told her. She asked more questions. Tom started to talk. He talked about his country. He talked about his family. Yes, he made mistakes. He could not find some words. But the woman listened. She smiled. She asked more questions. At the end, Tom felt great. He learned something important. People do not want perfect grammar. They want real conversation. This is what I want you to understand. English is not a test. English is a tool. You use it to talk to people. You use it to make friends. You use it to share ideas. When you think English is a test, you feel scared. You worry about mistakes. But when you think English is a tool, everything changes. Tools are for using. Tools get better when you use them. You do not buy a hammer and never use it. You pick it up and start using it. Maybe you make mistakes at first. That is okay. You learn, you get better. English is the same. So, here is what you should do today. Right now, after you finish listening, speak English out loud. It does not matter if you are alone. It does not matter if nobody hears you. Speak anyway. Say one sentence, just one. Say, I am learning English. Or say, I can do this. Or say, today is a good day. Say it out loud, not quietly. Use your full voice. Say it like you believe it. That one sentence is the start. Tomorrow, say 2 sentences. The next day, say 3. Do this every single day. Make it a habit. Like brushing your teeth. Speak English every day. Even if just for 1 minute. Even if nobody hears, do it. Because every time you speak, you build confidence. You train your mouth. You become better. Remember, many people around the world are learning English like you. They feel scared too. They have doubts too. They make mistakes too. But the people who succeed are not the ones who study the most grammar. They are not the ones with the biggest vocabulary. They are the ones who speak. They are the ones who try. They are the ones who do not give up. You can be one of them. You have everything you need already. The words are in your head. They are waiting to come out. You just need to open your mouth and let them out. Start today. Start now. Start with one sentence. Your English journey begins when you decide to speak. So, what are you waiting for? Take a deep breath and speak.